news from Kerala. 6 cases of Nipah virus have been confirmed. Schools and colleges remain closed in Kozhikode district even today. That was for yesterday as well as today. There are 77 people who have been identified as high-risk cases, but around 800 people have been traced as primary and tertiary contacts. Around 500 samples of those who were the first contact or immediate contact have been sent to NIV Institute of Virology for testing.
Veena George, who is the Health Minister of Kerala, has clarified that even though a 6th positive case has come, everything that needs to be done at this time in terms of protocol has been followed. One, that 11 cases that were sent for testing came back negative, and that was a sigh of relief for Kerala. 7 panchayats already made into a containment zone. Some of the wards in 2 other panchayats have also been put under containment, and what we understand is that the neighbouring districts as well as the neighbouring states are under health alert, and there is a fever surveillance that's being carried out there to detect anything at a very early stage. Kerala on its part has sent 2 mobile vans, one of course sent by the National Institute of Virology and the second by the Rajiv Gandhi Institute Center for Biotechnology from Thiruvananthapuram. Both of them have gone to Kozhikode, and therefore the process of testing will be much faster, because what Veena George said was that the mobile van that the Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology has sent, for instance, is going to be able to test as many as 96 samples at one go, and within 3 hours we will be able to get a result on that, which really means they will be able to know what the situation is as early as possible. Schools that you mentioned, even Saturday has been declared a holiday. Earlier they had said that Thursday and Friday the schools will remain shut, but Saturday has also been declared as a holiday. What they've also tried to make people understand is that masking is going to be compulsory, social distance. So all those things that we talk about in the COVID protocol need to be followed now. And people in the containment zones also asked not to move around at all. And also that most importantly that they must follow the advice of the health authorities. The ICMR on its part has sent across the monoclonal antibody. That is something that was used even during the COVID-19 as a one-shot treatment. This is not something that has been clinically established, but that is perhaps the only line of treatment as of now available, and we are told that the ICMR has sent that across because, as you know, in the Nipah virus, the mortality rate is very high, even though the infection rate, thankfully, is not as much. So that is something, and a central team from the National Center for Disease Control, Ram Manohar Lohia and the NIMHANS, that team is also there and assisting the Kerala government. Back to you.